We are here to clean up as much garbage as we can. A really successful dive today. We got a lot of garbage. We got 3 bottles, a lot of fishing equipment, 3 sinkers, and part of a trap. And we were rewarded today. We got to save a crab that was caught in the fishing line over here. We were rewarded. We got to see a massive sea turtle. So great day, great dive, and great for the environment. All right, so we put the garbage in the garbage, and the recycling in the recycling.